Hey guys, so I decided I wanted to make a tuna chickpea salad. I already know I'm gonna need a bigger bowl. First step, arugula. Let's just get a whole bunch of this. Let's do radish slices. Make sure you have a guard. This doesn't come with a guard. And we're just gonna dump that in. Should we do cucumber slices or cucumber chunks? Next, we're gonna do some thinly sliced red onions. Red onion going in. Next, I'm just gonna do two two things of celery. I have this lemon that I've been squeezing forever, so I'm just gonna squeeze it on all the veggies. See if we can get anything out of it. Next, we're gonna add our chickpeas that I've rinsed and drained. I've got 2 cans of tuna. Now we're gonna add our dukes. We're gonna add some Dijon mustard. Generous amount of salt, black pepper, red pepper. You don't have to, but oh, that's a lot. I'm also a big seasoning gal, so we're gonna do a lot of onion powder, garlic powder, and I don't know, just ran out of parsley, so who knows what this dill's gonna do. It's just dillweed, but it's an herb. Mix it together. Oh, I'm gonna need a way bigger spoon. Oh yeah. You know what? What am I doing? Duh. All right, let's see if it tastes good. Whoa, not to toot my own horn, but the seasonings are perfect. I thought I was gonna need more of something, but no. Tanginess from the mayo. Got those Dijon flavors. Let me know if you try the salad below. Honestly, what inspires me always is like when you watch the Golden Girls, they always have either cake or a salad in their fridge at all times. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Wow, that's good.